Hello everyone, welcome to the June 2026 Current Affairs quiz. Let's test your knowledge. Let's begin. Question 1. Which IPL 2026 player won 5 major individual awards in one season? Your options are A. Shubman Gill, B. Yashasvi Jaiswal, C. Vaibhav Suryavanshi, or D. Rituraj Gaikwad. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Question 2. What percentage of long period average, or LPA, rainfall is forecast for India's 2026 monsoon? Your options are A. 85%, B. 88%, C. 90%, or D. 95%. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C. 90%. Question 3. Which Indian city serves as the headquarters of the South Coast Railway Zone? Your options are A. Vijayawada, B. Guntur, C. Tirupati, or D. Vishakhapatnam. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D. Vishakhapatnam. Question 4. Which state won the Khelo India Tribal Games 2026 overall championship? Your options are A. Odisha, B. Jharkhand, C. Maharashtra, or D. Karnataka. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D. Karnataka. Question 5. Which port launched India's first digital twin platform? Your options are A. Mumbai Port, B. Chennai Port, C. Kandla Port, or D. V.O. Chidambaram Port. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D. V.O. Chidambaram Port. Question 6. Which institution developed a new AI-based landslide prediction model announced this week? Your options are A. IIT Delhi, B. IIT Roorkee, C. IIT Bombay, or D. IIT Madras. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B. IIT Roorkee. Question 7. Which Indian athlete won gold at the Asian Athletics Grand Prix 2026? Your options are A. Neeraj Chopra, B. Avinash Sabal, C. Jyoti Yaraji, or D. Tajinder Singh Toor. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C. Jyoti Yaraji. Question 8. Which Indian state launched the Blue Coast Initiative 2026 for coastal conservation? Your options are A. Goa, B. Kerala, C. Tamil Nadu, or D. Odisha. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D. Odisha. Question 9. Which Indian organization successfully tested a next-generation underwater surveillance system? Your options are A. ISRO, B. DRDO, C. HAL, or D. BEL. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B. DRDO. Question 10. Which country's president nominated Ha Seong-sok as Prime Minister? Your options are A. Japan, B. South Korea, C. Singapore, or D. Vietnam. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B. South Korea. Question 11. Which armed force of India will benefit directly from the Project 18 program? Your options are A. Indian Army, B. Indian Air Force, C. Indian Navy, or D. Indian Coast Guard. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C. Indian Navy. Question 12. Which Indian state launched the Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan campaign recently? Your options are A. Punjab, B. Haryana, C. Uttar Pradesh, or D. Rajasthan. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C. Uttar Pradesh. Question 13. which country hosted the UN Ocean Conference 2026? Your options are A. Portugal, B. France, C. Spain, or D. Greece. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, France. Question 14. Which Indian naval ship participated in the International Fleet Review 2026? Your options are A. INS Vikrant, B. INS Delhi, C. INS Chennai, or D. INS Tarkash. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, INS Tarkash. Question 15. Which Indian city hosted the National Conference on Artificial Intelligence in Governance? Your options are A. Bengaluru, B. New Delhi, C. Hyderabad, or D. Pune. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Question 16. Which company became the first Indian firm to cross 35 lakh rupee crore market capitalization? Your options are A. TCS, B. HDFC Bank, C. Reliance Industries, or D. Infosys. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, Reliance Industries. Question 17. Which Indian shooter won gold at the ISSF World Cup 2026? Your options are A. Manu Bhakar, B. Sift Kaur Samra, C. Rudrankaksh Patil, or D. Esha Singh. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, Esha Singh. Question 18. Which Indian airport became the first to implement a fully AI-powered passenger assistance system? Your options are A. Delhi Airport, B. Mumbai Airport, C. Bengaluru Airport, or D. Hyderabad Airport. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, Bengaluru Airport. Question 19. Which country recently signed a semiconductor cooperation agreement with India? Your options are A. South Korea, B. Japan, C. Germany, or D. Singapore. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Japan. Question 20. Which Indian public sector company commissioned a new green hydrogen plant in June 2026? Your options are A. BHEL, B. GAIL, C. NTPC, or D. ONGC. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, NTPC. Question 21. Which Indian state announced a new drone promotion policy for agriculture? Your options are A. Punjab, B. Haryana, C. Telangana, or D. Uttar Pradesh. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Haryana. Question 22. Which state hosted the Bharat Renewable Energy Summit 2026? Your options are A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Karnataka, or D. Maharashtra. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, Gujarat. Question 23. Which company announced India's largest hyperscale data center expansion project? Your options are A. Tata Communications, B. Reliance Jio, C. Adani Connex, or D. CTRLS Data Centers. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, Adani Connex. Question 24. The Bharat Jain project, recently in news, is related to. Your options are A. Biotechnology, B. Indigenous AI models, C. Green hydrogen, or D. Semiconductor manufacturing. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Indigenous AI models. Question 25. Which country became India's largest supplier of crude oil in June 2026? Your options are A. Saudi Arabia, B. Russia, C. Iraq, or D. UAE? The correct answer is option B, Russia.